Hello and welcome to Cake. A couple months ago I had the divine experience of trying Aussie bites from Costco and I knew I had to recreate them as soon as I got home. That's exactly what we're going to be doing today, Aussie bites. For this recipe I used 3/4 of a cup of rolled oats, 1 cup of oatmeal flour, 1/4 of a cup of raisins, 1/2 a cup of dried apricot, 1/4 a cup of ground flaxseed, 1/2 a cup of grated coconut or shredded coconut, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 a cup of coconut butter, 1/2 a cup of cooked quinoa, and 1 cup of agave syrup. I begin by combining the agave syrup and coconut butter in a saucepan and bringing that to a melting point on low heat. Then combining the quinoa with the oatmeal and the baking soda. Cutting the apricot into smaller pieces, and then combining all of the remaining dry ingredients together. Once the coconut has completely melted, I'm going to pour this with agave syrup, obviously, over the dry ingredients and stir. Traditionally, Aussie bites are created in mini muffin pans, but I don't think everyone has those at home. So, alternatively, or you can use whatever you have at home, I'm using a silicone mold intended to be for cake pops. But this gives my Aussie bites a perfect praline shape and they're perfectly bite-sized. I'm going to distribute this batter or dough with 2 teaspoons and just press them in to make sure that each mold is really filled to the top. Then these are going to go into a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 12 to 14 minutes. Once they're ready, I'm going to let them cool in the mold for about 5 minutes. Then they're pretty easy to just pop out of the mold. I'm going to let them cool completely before I start enjoying them throughout the day and night. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes and creative ideas. Thank you for watching and see you next time.